guys, so it is the 23rd of January. It is 11:30 now. And I'm vlogging in my bed because I am waiting for my computer to update. We are doing the vision board bandwagon. Is it a bandwagon? I don't know, we're jumping on it. I do have a vision board that I made in high school. Let me show you guys real quick. That I'm gonna keep because I feel like a lot of that is still the same. It's all that right there. You guys can hopefully see that. The reason why I want to obviously remake one is because it is a new year. And then I do want to find one that kind of goes with the theme of my room. I was watching Jordan Cheyenne and she was saying, I think she was creating her own vision board, and she was just basically saying how you need to pinpoint exactly what it is. So on my vision board, I put a car, or there's a laptop, the things that represent what I want. But I need to be more specific with what kind of car that I want. So I'm making a vision board of that, and hopefully I can manifest those things into my life in 2018. But I'm just waiting for my computer to finish updating so I can go ahead and crop some of the photos and add some letters onto it. And then I'm going to print them out, and I don't think I can print them in color, but I'm going to try to. I hope they're not too big. I already printed out all of the pictures that I want. And the thing about my printer is that, but the thing is that I actually didn't have enough color ink in the printer. So they didn't come out very pigmented. So I just decided to take a black marker and, I don't know, make something of it. So I think they came out pretty cool though. Comic-y. But anyways, so this is all of my vision board pictures, and I'm just going to place them inside each little frame. And the frame, I found this at Bell's for $13. Now I was going to take it back because I realized that this gold is not the right gold that matches the rest of the gold in my bedroom. The rest of the gold in my bedroom is an orange gold, and this is a white gold. But what I'm just going to do is I'm going to find some paint and paint this gold because I couldn't find the receipt to return this, so we're just making something out of it, you guys. So yeah, let's do this.
Follow me to where the rivers meet. Tell me I belong to you. Feel the grass crumble beneath your feet. Set me free and let me loose. Take my heart, for it is yours to keep. Shackle my spirit to you. You are mine, I'm mine eternally.
I like it. Okay, so basically what my vision board represents are the 8 things that I want to hopefully at least 80% be on the right track with. So, a car. I am in desperate need of a new car, and if I want to manifest a car, a good car, it's going to be the Chevy Malibu. This one represents that I want to be somebody that gets up early in the morning. I don't say that I necessarily dislike it or do like it. I'm just about it. So I do want to be somebody that rises early. I want stability in my life, financially, emotionally, relationship-wise, everything I'm doing. I just want stability. I do want to get my life coach certification, which is going to be happening in June. Wellness, I want to take more care of my body, like And when I mean that, like, doctor-wise, I need to figure out what's going on with me and just go to the doctor and all of those things. And then this one, I want to be making bank. And then this one right here just represents that, you know, I'm trying to get fit. And then this one is fairly self-explanatory. So yeah, that's what this looks like. I just need to finish it by getting a new paint color, and then I will hang it up on my wall right behind me. Okay guys, we are back, and let me move this hanger. This is what I have right here. I want to put that vision board, I'm not sure, but somewhere on that wall. I don't know if I want it above or like right in that area. I'm gonna have to have my dad help me figure that part out, because I don't know. Like, how would that look? Like up there, above that? I don't know. Have to figure that part out. But yeah, other than that, like, the vision board itself is done. I just, as I said, I need to take a different gold here. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And it's gonna go somewhere over there.